Hello, today I'm going to be talking about objective 10.6. So the cubital lymph nodes receive drainage from the lymphatic plexus in the skin of the fingers, palms, and dorsum of the hands. The efferent vessels of the lymph nodes ascend the arm and they terminate at the humeral axillary lymph nodes. There's also the pectoral anterior lymph nodes that are located in the medial wall of the axilla against the thorax. It receives lymph from the anterior lateral thorax, including the breast. The subscapular posterior lymph nodes are located along the posterior axillary folds, and they receive lymph from the posterior thoracic wall and subscapular region. So the humeral lymph nodes, the subscapular posterior lymph nodes, the pectoral anterior lymph nodes all drain into the central lymph nodes right here that are located deep to the pectoral minor, and it's associated with the second segment of the axillary artery. The central lymph nodes drain into the apical deep lymph nodes. These are located at the apex of the axilla. The apical nodes travel through the cervical axillary canal before converging and draining into the subclavian lymphatic trunk. The right subclavian trunk continues to form the right lymphatic duct, and then that enters into the venous angle directly right here. The left subclavian trunk drains directly into the thoracic duct. 75% of the lymph drainage from the mammary glands take the route that I just described. From the pectoral anterior nodes to the central, then to the apical lymph nodes, then into the right lymphatic duct. 20% of the mammary glands drain into the sternonodes that are located lateral to the sternum and in the intercostal spaces. Lymph travels to the sternonodes, then to the bronchomediastinal nodes, bronchomediastinal trunk, or the opposite breast. The remaining 5% of the lymph from the mammary glands drain into the abdominal wall, then to the superficial inguinal nodes, then to the lumbar trunk, and then up the left side and into the thoracic duct where it enters the venous system.